Hello my country people, how na dey? This is boring gist backup TV. My country people, in case you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you hit the subscribe button or make you click the bell notification for all my returning subscribers. So na do well. This na our country comedian wey dem dey call comedian AYO. My people na know say one big time blogger wey dem dey call gist lover wey sabi do aproko. Wey sabi do aproko cho anything you see e go talk. E don come out e come accuse AY, say AY dey friend one lady, one babe, say AY dey cheat on im wife. If I dey accuse AY say AY dey cheat on im wife, later e come talk say e come mention Alex Unusual, say Alex Unusual dey friend married man, say make Alex Unusual stop to dey friend people husband. So as e be say gist lover dey accuse AY of cheating on im wife, AY don come debunk those rumour. But since go no go, AY kukuma own all die na die. Wetin happen na cheat, no keep person. Now e don finally bring out the person wey be say in dey date, and he say want to marry am as second wife. Hey, my people una know say this comedian AY e get a wife wey dem dey call Mabel. Mabel just born, e never reach 2 months ago. Na 2 months ago, abi how many months ago na Mabel just born for America. Yes, so Mabel bin don born the first pikin, that pikin Michelle na 30 years before e come finally welcome another girl pikin after 13 years of waiting. So now wey be say God don bless AY with another pikin, AY wife dey for ogbogbo. Na people no allow AY rest. All this tafia blogger, both the one they know, both the ones they don't know. Now AY don couple, he don cut rope, he don blow whistle, he don cut rope for social media. He don announce him babe. Now the babe be this. Hey, my people don't get it twisted. AY put this Alex Unusual take advertise in show when they come up on Sunday. He just talk say make people come in show, in comedy show where be say he won't do on Sunday. Say he need wife, he need money when go take go pay the second wife diary. Since he be say them they accuse him. If you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, na your thorough. My own be say AY na joke he crack. AY no the friend or Alex Unusual. Na just close part. You know say he get some people where be say una go just dey agree. But another thing where be say social media people, we the social media amebo group of company, we dey use our onyoko meter, they onyokolize this whole relationship. Make you no come be like this type when it be say Rosie More and Chochi, when they accuse, they say they two they date. They say no, they know they date. Now Rosie say dating Chochi is like sleeping with your own brother. Today now they don't marry, they don't born one pikin. No, my people, AY no fall our hand though, because this whole thing, that although I trust AY love his wife so much. AY love Mabel very much. And Mabel self, that babe too fine. So Mabel dey for mugo. And I don't say body no be firewood. So we don't know. And it be like say now operation na Mabel take born. So and una know say bros body no be firewood. But if they do and one kind work hair, una know the Nigeria factor. Most of all these men, they don't dey anyhow be, they go still get one side chick for one corner. We don't know whether AY, because me I know say AY no be pastor, so anything can happen. Say what, anything can happen. But Alex Unusual, jiko on we go break. Make you know say na married man na AY be. Make you not go step your boundary. Makadia mama. So my people, now this one I say make I carry come on. I know know why gist lover, this gist lover of a blogger, I don't know why e be say the two they like to dey cause wahala for people affair. Even though sef say ay dey date somebody. Okay, now if you come out come talk am, you want to break ay marriage, you want to scatter ay marriage. So if the wife hear am now, how una to say the wife go fear? How una know say the wife just born? Woman when e be say e just born, when e be say e need all her emotion to be balanced, una carry gossip enter ay marriage matter. Wife wey just born when e don mugo, no coulda know as una go dey talk all this kind thing o, because people emotion matters a lot. So my people now a lot of people now dey say they no trust this Alex or usual when im eye say because Alex im eye dey on top of his skull, say na so e go dey do pium 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 na epiwara. By people, this one I say make I carry come on. Before I go round up this gist, I go like una know say this Nkechi Blessing and im boyfriend that they call Falanga, their matter still dey social media, they catch fire. But make I just tell una the latest, the update about Funke Akindele and im husband. Una know say I do one video concerning Funke Akindele with her husband. Say Funke Akindele say allegedly say pursue her husband comot for her, say make he give am chance, say because he squander money, they are two money. So the thing come dey go now. Funke Akindele stepson, which is JJC skill son, don come out to come accuse Funke Akindele, say Funke Akindele no be like the way people dey think but say when he stay with Funke Akindele for 1 year, it was a terrible. Say Funke Akindele no be better person. Gbogbo tigbo talk go here, talk go there. I say na wow. Una see all these steps on you no get as person wan do for them when we say they go appreciate. Now the truth be that. That is why may God give every woman pikin, make them born their own, make everybody. My own is different. My own is different from our own. Upon house, Funke they take care of this boy rich, when we say go they wish am happy birthday, everything. He come out, they can't talk his own. Well, everybody go just dey look, they see how things they go. Meanwhile, JJ Skill don't send message to his wife, say in dey by inside gidigba, say not shaking, make Funke Akindele no listen to gossip, or make he focus, take care of his children in dey London. He go see come back and join his wife. So JJ Skill don't debunk those rumor whether they talk say he and Funke marriage dey shake. Their marriage stand gidigba like Asoro, nothing dey happen. Alright, so my people, now here say make I stop. In case you never subscribe to this channel, I beg una not forget to subscribe. Now have a nice night. Bye.